Another day, another project. This is Doc Auto, driver's best friend. So we have a Mazda 6.5 that came into our workshop with a check engine light. This car was in need of a whole new heartbeat. So here we go, challenge accepted, twende kazi. The old engine had issues of overheating due to radiator blockage. The head gasket had been replaced before, so an overhaul was not a reliable solution. Pia, wrong engine oil played a huge part in messing this engine up. And out with the olds, and here comes the new heartbeat. Mali safi na pia kazi safi. The first start, ile ya kwanza, gave us Vibia smoke machine. Thankfully, it was in the hands of professionals. And just like that, we say bye-bye to yet another exciting project. Looking forward to more. You can visit us today at any of our branches if you're having issues with your Honda or your Mazdas. See you on the next one, best friends.